Welcome. In front of me is a XIAOMI Pad 6S Pro, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, you want to open up your settings and then select About Tablet. And at the bottom here, you'll find Factory Reset. When you select it, it does give you a list of data that will be removed by this process. So if you keep anything on your tablet that you'd like to preserve, maybe something like music, photos, user data, make a copy of it to, for instance, your computer. You do have the option to create a backup, I think on the next page. Yep, right here. But I do want to stress this is onto the XIAOMI cloud. So if you want to back up your device because maybe you got a new tablet, and said new tablet isn't XIAOMI, you have no access to this backup, which makes it very effing useless. So I would probably recommend doing the backup to your computer manually rather than utilizing the cloud backup. Let's be honest, cloud backup means that you're storing all your data on someone else's computer. That doesn't seem very private. So anyway, assuming you have created a backup to maybe your computer or even the cloud if you really want to, you can then progress further by selecting Factory Reset right here. Now, XIAOMI consider their user base to be a bunch of morons, so they do give you a timer that you need to wait for, because they really need to hammer it down that Factory Reset removes everything. So they can waste 20 seconds of your life that you will never get back before you can actually confirm the freaking process. There we go. So once your time is wasted and you can actually confirm it, it will begin the resetting of the device, which will take about a minute to 2 minutes to finish up. Once that's completed, we'll be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.